How to create an X account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to create a new account on X or previously known as Twitter, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. After you do that, over here you can see various options, like you can continue with Google, or you can continue with your phone number, or you can log in with username if you already have an account. So I don't have an account, so in order to make a new one, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna either enter this option or these options over here. So I'll simply go to continue with Google. After you do that, you will see various Google accounts of you. Simply tap on the account you want to log into X with. After you do that, you will successfully be logged in on your X account. So this is how you can create an account on X. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you, and see you in the next one.